Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 1, Section 5. Today we will present about our group assignment, which is we get the question number 1. First of all, let me introduce our group member first. My name is Muhammad SYAIFUDDIN bin Asli. Here I have Ahmad SOLEHEIN bin Muhammad RADZI, KHOO JIAN, and AHMAD ZHAHIRIN ADLY bin Yaakob. First of all, what is MATLAB? MATLAB is a programming platform designed to specifically for engineers and scientists to analyze and design a system and a product that transform our world. It is the proprietary multi-paradigm programming language and memory computing environment developed by MATLAB. Alright, this is our group, which is a group question number 1. The question number 1 is, by using the double integral, find the volume of the solid enclosed by the cylinder x squared plus y squared equal to 9, which is the plane y plus z equal to 4 and the z equal to 0. So, as we know, the volume can be defined by the formula double integrate z dy dx, where dy dx is equal to dr d theta. First of all, we need to find the r value. So how to find the r value is by use this equation x squared plus y squared equal to 9, we'll get which the r squared here is equal to 9. So r squared is the radius. So when we use square root for 9, we get radius is 3. So the radius for this graph will get 3. And as we know, the plane y plus z equal to 4. If y is equal to 0 and z will get 4. So that is the 3D graph. Thank you. Alright, this is at the z perspective, which is before this we get the radius is 3. So here is the 3 here for the radius, and we use the formula for volume, which is double integrate zr dr d theta. So the limit for the theta we take from the 0 here until 2 pi. This is because we use the full circle. All right. And the radius is 0 from 0 here and 3 here. And we substitute in front of the formula. We calculate from this using the calculator, and we get the answer is 113.1. All right, next we will go to the MATLAB, which is the software equation.
Okay, for the coding one, to define the limits of integration, we use xmin equals to -3, xmax equals to 3, and then we define the integrand function. The integrand equals to at xy for minus y. Then we use integral 2 for double integration. Volume equals to integral 2, integrand, xmin, xmax, or x minus square 9 minus x power of 2, or x square 9 minus x power of 2. And then we display the result. The volume of the solid is num2 str volume, and then the volume of the solid is 113.0973. Okay. For the 2D view from Z perspective, to define the cylinder and plane surfaces, X cylinder, Y cylinder, Z cylinder equals to cylinder 3100, and X plane, Z plane equals to mesh grid, lean space -7, 7, 100. Y plane equals to 4 minus Z plane. To create a figure, this figure, plot the cylinder, H1 equals to surf X cylinder, Y cylinder, Z cylinder times 7, hold on, and then to plot the plane, H2 surf equals to surf X plane, Y plane, Z plane, phase alpha 0.5. To set plot properties, X label, x-axis, y label y-axis, z label z-axis. Title is 2D view from Z perspective. At label for the function, text 040 y plus z equal to 4, font size 10, horizontal alignment center. Text 000 z equals to 0, font size 10, horizontal alignment center. Text negative 4, 0, 0, x power of 2, y power of 2 equals to 9. Font size 10, horizontal alignment center. Set the view in 2D. View 2. Adjust the axis limit, axis negative 3, 3, negative 3, 3, 0, 7. And then we add grid, the grid on, and then we hold off. So this is the result of view from the Z perspective.
Okay, next I will be talking about the MATLAB coding for 3D view. This is exactly the same as a 2D view coding because the only change is the below there the view will become 3, so it will set the view in 3D. And above there the mesh grip line space I will set to -7 to 7 because the plane have to enclose the cylinder, but the top level of the cylinder is 7, so I changed the mesh grid line space to -7 to 7, so it can enclose the whole plane. And the coding is exactly the same as the 2D coding. And then next is the graph of the 3D graph. Next. And this is a 3D graph. The below there z equal to 0 plane, and then the another plane is y plus z equal to 4. It will enclose the cylinder at the top of the 7 z equal to 0 until z equal to 7. And that's all from our group. Thank you.